like and subscribe. Anyways, yesterday I made this one to celebrate before school starts. I want to make a fake one of EAS online, not the real ones, because this one gives us an example actually. France. I tell you it's worse, okay? I'm scared for no reason. You garbage Spain. God, this sounds like a phone call, but in Spanish edition. Don't believe me, okay? Told you. This one was the first fake one I ever did. It's so annoying, and I hate it. This is another one that is also fake. Give it a listen. Bro. Okay, what does this? What does Sigma's now? Portugal, where Ronaldo lives. Zoo. Bro. Guinea. This one. Sorry. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. It's 1 minute already? That was crazy.